Comenius REGIO project. Cooperation between the educational institutions and parents, providing qualitative education of the primary school children, 2009-2011. Partners from Bulgaria, Vrața, Regional Inspectorate of Education, St. Sofroni Vračanski Primary School, and St. Sofroni Vračanski Board of the Trustees. From Romania, Ploiești, Prahova, Casa Corpului Didactic, Prahova, Școala cu clasele 1-8 Sfântul Vasile Ploiești, Asociația de Părinți de la Școala cu clasele 1-8 Sfântul Vasile Ploiești. Here is our country, Romania, and the Prahova region with its capital Ploiești. And you have an image of Casa Corpului Didactic Prahova. The main objective of this project is the development and exchange of good practices aiming at the cooperation between educational institutions and parents, providing qualitative education of primary school children. The themes: teaching and studying of English, and the involvement of the ICT in the primary school, and the attraction of the parents to the educational process. The project activities will be applied in an environment according to the beneficiary's responsibilities, observing the principle of voluntary choice and discrimination prevention. The project activities: building a modern partnership pattern, state institution, school, community of parents between two partner regions will increase the European dimension of the school. The results of the project: AEL and e-learning, workshop English language, and school for parents, all leading to a qualitative education. The results: a creation of a study film, meetings between the partners, exhibitions with project information and photos. Information and Communication Technologies, ICT, are an optional subject for primary school students. Argument: ICT takes an active part in the general molding and development of a person due to the importance ICT lays on developing structured and logical thinking. Life and work in a society which is getting more and more digitalized is possible only through acquiring computer knowledge and communication skills, generally known as informational culture. Argument: as a science, informatics requires building up general skills of the people who are going to work with computers, computer networks, and information systems. Informatics knowledge is universal and applies to all domains of human activities. Statistics on number of primary school pupils in Prahova education system. There are 22,765 children in kindergarten, 29,743 students in primary school, 30,922 students in secondary school, and there are 83,430 students in total. Situation of the equipment and spreading of ICT activities in the preschool education. 393 the total number of kindergarten children, 880 the number of groups in preschool educations, 21,554 the number of children enlisted in preschool education, 133 number of groups involved in ICT activities, and 225 number of computers used in preschool education. Situation of equipment and inclusion of ICT at primary school level. There are 332 total number of schools including primary level classes, 1,480 total number of classes with primary level, 9,510 number of pupils enlisted in primary level, 441 number of classes with ICT schooling, 142 number of labs specialized in ICT teaching, if any, 1,719 total number of computers engaged at primary level education. Higher skills education. Higher skills education has attracted growing interest of the children, parents, teachers, Prahova education leadership and the local community in developing a person's potential, in creating better conditions for children and teenagers interested in more detailed studies, higher skilled young people with specific development needs. Following a selection test at district level, 2 higher skills secondary education groups have been created. Primary education pupils may enlist in the first group. Aims of ICT studies at primary school level. Pupils' psychological and practical training by age-oriented activities regarding how to use a computer. Acquiring practical skills in working at the computer. Study of ICT as science, which includes logic elements, notions of acquisition, preserving, and processing the information. Study of computer system as a working instrument, text editor, graphics and sound editors. Study of computer system as subject, logical and arithmetical basis of computer technique, architecture and operation of computer, peripheral devices and computer networks, algorithmic thinking training. European key competencies aimed at by studying ICT. Competencies of using the new information and communication technologies, competencies in mathematics and basic competencies in sciences and technology. Transcurricular competencies, developing of writing skills by means of computer, ability to organize information from various domains and to maximize the pupil's potential creativity. Content distribution per grades. In computer architecture, grade 2. Operating system, grade 2. Graphics editor, grade 2. Text editors, grade 2 and 3. Computer networks, grade 3. Internet and communications, grade 3 and 4. Editor for electronic presentation and editors for desktop publishing, spreadsheet application, mathematics logical elements, algorithm and algorithmic language, programming language and programming techniques, all for grade 4. Examples of a learning unit: computer architecture, Suggested exercise: coding and decoding of text information. Method used: 635 method, teamwork, conversation. Exercise: